In this Wilderness Vans assembly guide, we're going to show you how to install your trifold extension onto your broad arrow seat. This video is a follow-up to our broad arrow assembly guide. Carrying on from that video, we're going to start by unpacking the trifold extension hardware that got shipped with your order. Besides all the boxes we already covered in our last assembly video, in your shipment, you should have 2 additional boxes with your broad arrow seat. These boxes contain the pieces and hardware for the trifold extension. Now, let's open up these boxes and see what's inside. In the large box is the trifold cushion, while in the other is the trifold extension bracket. Go ahead and unwrap this hardware and lay it out in your workspace. And make sure that you have the hardware included with the extension bracket. This bag should contain 6 M10 hexagon screws and 6 hex nuts. Besides these parts, you should also still have your side panel and its associated hardware from the last video. With everything unpacked, we can go ahead and continue building our seat. In the last video, we had installed the front cushion onto the seat and stopped just before we were going to attach the side panels onto the frame. To continue on with your installation for a trifold seat, we're going to start by attaching the trifold extension bracket we just unpacked onto the back of the seat. The area we want to install the bracket onto is covered by this back piece here. So take a 4mm Allen wrench and remove the 4 bolts holding the cover in place. Now grab your extension bracket and let's get into position on the seat frame. On each side of the bracket, you'll see these U-shaped cutouts in the metal. To get the extension into position, we're going to fit these cutouts over top of the corresponding bolts found on each side of the seat frame. But before we do that, we need to create some extra wiggle room on the bracket. Go to the driver's side of the extension bracket and temporarily remove the gas strut seen here, using a 10mm wrench and socket. Save the hardware you removed for later reinstallation. Once the hardware is removed, position the end of the strut on the outside of the bracket like seen here. Now, we can get the bracket into position. Go to the passenger side and position the U-shaped cutout over top of the bolt. Then secure the 2 holes highlighted here to the seat frame, using 2 bolts and nuts from the hardware bag found with your extension bracket. Now go to the driver's side and repeat this step over there, lifting the bracket into position and securing the same 2 holes. Next, we need to secure the hole circled here using the same hardware. This hole is a little trickier to secure since it's a tight fit, so we suggest you take the nut and place it into a wrench. Then, either prop the seat up or have it hang over a ledge so you can come from underneath the frame to get the wrench and nut into place. Repeat this step on the other side. Tighten this hardware using a 16mm wrench and socket. Now we can attach the trifold cushion. First, make sure your broad arrow seat is in bed mode. To do this, grab the release lever in the frame and lower the seat back down. Now grab your trifold cushion, and let's take a look at it to see how it attaches to the extension bracket. On one side of your cushion are these two holes. These holes will attach to the metal knobs on the driver's side of the extension bracket. On the other side of the cushion is a push knob and plastic stopper, which will slot into this hole on the passenger side. So take your cushion and temporarily position it so the plastic stopper rests within the cutout on the passenger side of the bracket. Then, on the driver's side, slide the holes on the cushion over top of the metal knobs on the extension bracket. Once that side's in place, secure the push knob on the other side of the bracket. And finally, reattach the gas strut to the bracket using the same hardware we removed from it earlier. And that's the trifold extension installed. Now, let's finish up by leveling the seat and attaching the side panels. Lay the whole seat into bed mode, and using a level or other straight edge, check that the seat is level. If any portion of the seat isn't level, use the 6 leveling screws on the seat to raise or lower each section. Each section of the seat, the cushion, the backrest, and the trifold cushion, has 2 screws that raise and lower each side of it. The screws for the trifold extension can be found here. The screws on either side of the backrest are circled here. And the screws for the front cushion can be found here. So, using an Allen key and some kind of level, go ahead and make sure that everything is laid out flat. Now we can finish up and attach the side panels. First, lift the backrest and trifold cushion into a vertical position. Then, take your side panels and using the hardware supplied with it, secure the holes seen here to these holes on the seat frame. You'll secure the side panel to the frame by placing the bolts through the inside of the seat frame and into the panel on the other side. Start by loosely installing each bolt by hand, before tightening them with a 13mm socket. Please note that some of these holes are harder to reach. If you have trouble reaching a hole, we suggest you either lift the seat up or work with it hanging over a ledge so that you can secure the harder to reach holes from underneath the frame. You may also need to reposition the trifold cushion to reach some holes as you work. Once you have one side done, repeat all these steps for the other side. Once again, make sure you start each bolt by hand before tightening them with the 13mm socket. Your seat is now assembled. The only thing left to do is flip the front cushion over and push it back into the frame to lock it into place. Thanks for watching. Check out the other videos in this series to see all of this seat's features, and how to install additional broad arrow seat options like our proprietary seat mounting system. Thanks for choosing Wilderness Vans.